with Baba channel here. It's a very exciting day for me. After a month of back and forth research between the Corvette C8 and the Shelby, later on I'm going to go to the dealership hopefully I can test drive it before I make that decision. Finally, I'm here. Just beautiful car. This bad boy is screaming, "Let me out!" But this is not what I'm here for. I'm here for the Shelby GT500. Hopefully short time we're gonna see one. I'm in Mustang heaven.
Yo, I'm done. You good?
So this is the latest. I just test drove a Mustang GT. It was awesome, really powerful. I like the sound of the muffler. It was crazy, but the dealer doesn't have no allocations, so I cannot order a Shelby GT500. So they just basically made me come here for nothing. And to top that off, I stopped on the red light and I got hit from the back, and the guy basically said, "F you and the cops, I'm out of here." He just took off. So what else can it go wrong? This is my day so far. I have over an hour waiting for the cops and nobody showed up yet, so I'm thinking of just taking off. It's not worth waiting for them. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification, and I'll see you next time.